Hello, my name is Hope. I work with Clients First Business Solutions, where Clients First isn't just our name, it's our creed. And today I'm really excited to give you an overview of ProMRO. ProMRO is a complete cloud ERP solution tailored to the needs of maintenance, repair, and overhaul, no matter the size or complexity of the business. It is built upon Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain, a world-class ERP solution. For short, I'm going to call it Dynamics 365 for the rest of the presentation. As you can see, ProMRO is built right into Dynamics 365. Its menus and forms were built with the same design, therefore it's easy to learn and easy to use. ProMRO allows you to go from quote through sales to post-sales support, keeping all the activity visible to your sales and customer service team. Grow your profitability with ProMRO. Increase communication. Depending on need, give sales personnel the ability to process sales quickly or to request, manage, and compile estimates from various departments for more complex quotes. The focus of ProMRO's design is to help you meet and exceed your customers' expectations. ProMRO puts all the powerful tools you need at your fingertips. There's no need to be moving around through a bunch of screens. From tracking customers' equipment history to integrated document management, ProMRO has the features you need to increase profitability. The Quote Builder lets you design the quote layout on the fly, thus allowing you to easily meet the needs of a variety of customers, even the demanding ones, thus improving your overall quote approval ratings. A margin analysis tool can ensure that desired profitability is being obtained and allows users to try out what-if scenarios. ProMRO offers you the ability to track the success rate of quotes, and when you win a deal, the quote is turned into a project with a click of a button. ProMRO allows you to not only bill for labor, but also parts, subscriptions, or equipment storage fees. Standardize the estimates of the services you offer to improve accuracy and save time. Service profiles allow you to establish time estimates, labor estimates, material estimates, and miscellaneous expenses. Service packages allow you to group services normally performed together. Here you can see an example of the service profile. Note each task has an estimate as well as work center instructions. In the lower portion, you will see any expenses and/or items related to the task. A quote is transformed into a project which provides unparalleled transparency to both the shop floor and the customer. The shop floor will know what was sold and what needs to be accomplished by having clearly defined tasks to be followed within a project. The project will capture and track all activity, enabling you to monitor the budget in real time. Dashboards help you identify problems quickly, which will help prevent the end-of-job surprises. Up-to-date project profit and loss statements are available at your fingertips. Depending on setup, profit and loss information can also be shown at a branch or department level within a project or a component level within a project. The implementation team at Clients First has vast knowledge and experience in the MRO business, and they'll use that experience and knowledge to set up the system to ensure that your business makes the best use of the tools available. The project in ProMRO is the hub for the repairs. Out-of-scope work is easily handled using adders, which preserve the original estimate and clearly show the out-of-scope work. Shop personnel time can be entered with the ProMRO time card. The cost of labor is then automatically applied to the project, enabling real-time insight for management to track project profitability. ProMRO utilizes Dynamics 365 full-fledged inventory system to provide world-class functionality to MRO operations. Dynamics 365 offers exceptional inventory costing and inventory control functionality. If your MRO operation includes manufacturing, you're in luck. ProMRO utilizes Dynamics 365 powerful production module, which offers discrete process lean as well as mixed mode manufacturing. The ability to approve, activate, and make mass changes to BOMs makes managing bills of material a breeze. Efficiently manage your manufacturing process with the use of production orders. Production orders can be linked to projects for visibility and accurate costing. With ProMRO, you control how the invoice is created. The system keeps track of the funds behind the scenes, assuring that all rendered services will be invoiced. The invoice format is customizable to your company's or even your customers' needs. Dynamics 365 provides a number of out-of-the-box financial reports, but most importantly, it gives you the ability to make changes to those reports as well as create new ones. These financial reports allow you to consolidate and drill down. You can drill down as far as the transaction level. Note, all access to reports and the ability to drill down are controlled by security settings. Phew, that's just a few of the highlights of the ProMRO solution. There's still so much more to see. Contact us today and schedule your personal demonstration. We at Clients First want to help you be the best you can be. Thank you for your time and attention.